Mother India, we live on land of India. It is here that we get education. It is here that we get our teachers and parents who provide a strong hand holding to us all the time. We owe lots of our Mother India. So let us all stand in attention position and sing our national anthem to pay our respect towards our Mother India. Team set. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा ऊचल चलसि तिरंगा तब सुबह नामे जागे तब सुबह आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Stand at ease. Now the study is dispersed.
ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी अभी लाखों है इसमें कमी बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी अभी लाखों है इसमें कमी पर तू जो खरा है दयालु बड़ा तेरी कृपा से धरती थमी दिया तूने हमें जब जन्म तू ही झेलेगा हम सबके गम नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम.
Now it's time for pledge. All of you right hands up. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be what is the reason of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I praise my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone like my happiness. All of you write hands down.
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Surbhi Jha and today I am going to say a thought, and my thought is nothing is impossible. The word itself say I am possible. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Good morning to principal ma'am, teachers and my all friends. My name is Ashlesha Sri from class 4D and today I am going to deliver you all a speech, and my speech topic is global warming. Global warming is making our world a dangerous place and destroying the world. Global warming is caused by the greenhouse gases. Due to global warming, the ozone layer is depleting and the harmful ultraviolet rays are reaching the earth. Also, the ice in the mountains is melting. To stop global warming, we could start recycling. This is the process in which we could reuse things like cardboard, plastic bottles and plastic bags. We could also use both sides of a paper instead of using only side. We could stop global reducing pollution caused by cars. We could also take public transport and we need to find more different types of energy like solar, wind and hydroelectricity. We also need to stop too much consumerism and too much use of electricity. electricity. As a citizen, it is our duty to stop polluting environment so that we can reduce the effects of global warming. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Arunika Kumari of Standard 4E and I am going to say amazing facts in front of you, and my fact is Hawaii moves 7.5 centimeter closer to Alaska every year. Thank you. Have a nice day.